Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Okay, so today I bring you good news, okay, regarding mystery shopping. So basically, to become a mystery shopper, all you do is to go into shops or businesses and act as a customer. Okay, sometimes you're being sent to buy things from stores and the money will be reimbursed and you will also keep the product. And if you're a student, of course you know that students in the UK work only 20 hours per week. So if you are here and you'd have opportunity to do your 20 hours a week and also go to do your studies while you are also making more money from mystery shopping. Okay, if you're a stay-at-home mom while your children are in school, you can use the opportunity to do your mystery shopping. It only takes roughly 10 to 15, 5 to 10 minutes max. You're done and then you're out. Okay, so that's why I'm bringing this. I'm going to show you proof of my income so far. I've been working with so many of these companies here in the UK for over 3 years now. So I'm going to show you the money I've made so far, my proof. I'm also going to leave a referral link down below in the description. So if you're interested, stay-at-home mom, master's student, go to my description, click on the link and register. Okay, register and come back in the comment section and let me know if you use my link so that I can also let them know. Okay, so I will share my screen to show you how to register, show you how to get jobs. Basically, it's very easy. Once you sign up and it is approved, you fill in your details and everything and put your location, you'll be matched with jobs within your travel distance. So make sure you put your location so that you will not be sent to, or so that jobs from far away will not be appearing in your profile. Okay, so make sure you do that. So whilst I'm going to share my screen now, I still want to remind you to like this video, comment and subscribe. If you click on my link to register, make sure to comment so that I know that you did so. Okay, so let's dive into the other part of the video as I share my screen. So guys, because this video is not sponsored, I'm not going to share the company's name. So what you do is send me an email. I'll leave my email in the description box. Send me an email if you're interested and I will email you the link. Okay, so this is the home page of the website. Okay, this is the job board. So currently you can see that there are several jobs available in each location within the UK. Okay, so because I'm in London, let's click on London and these are the available jobs. These ones are in you can see these are all the jobs in London. This one is in North London. There are ones in East London, Barking and all the rest of them. So what you do is click on view job. You view the instruction and know if you're able to or if you're capable to do all these things. So for this particular one, it's an audit. It says the purpose of the audit is to analyze a store in which eyewear products are sold. You will receive a letter to prove your identity, a clean and professional attire. You're not allowed to wear jeans, formal footwear, no visible brands, etc. Okay, so and you must go during the opening days and hours of the store, and at least you need to start at least 1 hour before closing time. So all you need to do is just choose a date and apply. So what I do is I choose a date. I choose the date that is at the end of the month, or at the end of, this is the end of this mystery this auditing, the last date, the last day of the auditing. So I choose it, but that doesn't mean you must perform it on this day. It means you can do it any day until this day, but make sure you submit before or on this date, the 27th. Okay, so once you choose your date and you apply, that's that. So all the jobs you applied to will come under my jobs, to come under, sorry, under my applications. These ones are my applications waiting for approval. Because I applied during the weekend, they will look at it from tomorrow. Okay, they also close during public holiday. So this one is web and phone jobs, the ones you can do from home. It's a remote job, so just to call and make inquiry online, and you get paid £8.50. Okay, just in your home, comfort of your home, you make these phone calls. Okay, so you need to pass these certifications. A couple of them you need to pass before you will be accepted. It's free of charge. The materials are there. You can see mine. I passed all of them. You must pass them 100%. You have opportunity to retake. Okay, so this is my pay. This is my pay so far. It's in PDF and in spreadsheet. All the jobs I've done and gotten paid in the past, all of them are here. Let me see if I can open one. So this is one of my pays. All these ones are the payments I've made so far. The salary I've received so far. So in this particular one, I made 470. Yeah, so they summed up all the visits I did in that month. I did about 22 visits for an eyewear, for Channel Eyewear mystery visit. This one is I did some for sunglasses, for Shurgard, all of them. So this is my pay, 470. Okay, you can use this as a pay slip, because it's a pay statement. You can use this as a proof of payment, something like that. Okay, so this is not a scam, this is not a joke. You're not asked to pay a dime. You're not paying anything to me or anybody. Okay, also this is your panel manager. You can reach out to them whenever you have any issue, and if you can't meet up with your visit, make sure to reach out to your panel manager on time and let them know the reason why. They can either extend your date, the deadline, or they remove it from your profile. So make sure you do that before the deadline reaches. Okay, so like I said earlier, I won't be able to share the name because it's not sponsored. Leave me an email. I'll leave my email in the description box. Send me an email and then I will send you the link. Okay, So guys, if you like this type of content, let me know and I will make more of them. I have so many of them to help you guys that have just relocated, those that their income is a little small, so that you can increase and help yourself. Okay, stay at home mom, help yourself by sending me an email. Also share the video to other people that are struggling, other people that have just arrived. Send this video to them to watch and then leave a comment to show me that you like this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and then I will see you in my next video.